To adjust the video highlights of your footage or clips in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Make sure your clip and video selected or highlighted. Is to go down to the right. You see the option which should say adjust next to video quality and auto reframe. Basically you have a couple different options, but you want to scroll to the right. You see the option where it says highlights next to shadows and graphs. This middle icon slider you can drag to the right. Notice that the shadows is completely blown out of proportion, or it adjusts it. Go to the left, or dark, or it adjusts the shadows completely for free. Click the checkmark icon on the bottom hand screen, or you can even click apply all if you want the highlights to apply to all of your video clips and footage. And this is what we have. Or should I say this is the before? This is the after. Completely for free. You know how to adjust the video highlights in Capcut Mobile.